Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Capcut. So in this example, this is going to be on a chroma key or on a green screen background. And I'm going to show you a few options in today's video. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment as it really helps out the channel. So the first thing you want to do is import your video. So just click over on import, bring in your video. Then you want to drag the video down into the timeline. Once it's down into the timeline, what I like to do, let's say you're working with a chroma key and you've got objects in the background. The first thing that you want to do, because sometimes your chroma key might not be, or your chroma background might not be smooth on all edges. It's very hard to get 100% even background. So the first thing I like to do is come over here to the video, click on this resize. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crop this really close, just in case there's some lighter parts in my area. And you can do this in Final Cut Pro and any video editing tool. This is the best way to do it. Once you have it perfectly cropped, click on confirm. So now you have less of an area for the software to actually mask this out or to chroma key it out. So once you have this confirmed over here, the next thing you want to do is click on remove background. Okay. Now what we're going to do is come over to chroma key, and you'll see this color picker. What you want to do is select color picker. Now you want to come over, you want to make sure that it's highlighted. Now you want to come over to the image and just click on it. Now once you've clicked on it, you could see that there's shadowing of green around here. You want to adjust the intensity. Okay, so just play around with it to the left or to the right. Okay, until the green is away. And you look at the shadow, play around with the shadow. And for me, Capcut Pro actually does a really great way of removing the edges with the feather and cleanup tool, which is available in the Pro version. So you just come over here, you could feather the edges. You could see how it's feathering, and it actually looks really good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up the edges. And there you go. And watch as I scroll through the timeline, how smooth this is. Look at that. It is just amazing. And I've worked with a lot of software tools, and I give Capcut, a good 9.5 out of 10. I've used, Final Cut Pro, AE, Camtasia, and the green screen and the masking for Capcut is on point. So if you look at that, and now you can add a background here, and I'll show you this quickly to add a background. I'm just going to add one of my backgrounds, a thumbnail that I made. So all you need to do is just kind of move it over here in the background, below the timeline. Okay, so you got one here, and now what I can do is I can just kind of scroll her down, move it, and now I could put it here if I wanted to. But this is just a thumbnail, so this is not actually the right way to do it, because this is just a thumbnail. You could have any kind of background, select background, office backgrounds, etc. And now you can see that she's right there, green screened out and everything. So that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.